how to blur your background in Google Meet. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to appear more professional by blurring a background in Google Meet? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Google Meet and then you can see the arrow like icon beside your camera, that is the video settings. Just tap on it and then tap on background and effects. Now there under blur and personal backgrounds, you can see there is slightly blur your background completely, or add your own personal background. Now if you just want a slight blur, just tap on it and your camera will open up, but you have a blur in the background. And that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.